And at the end of the day, that's how you win in the music industry, but you don't want to hear that because... What's going on, guys? My name is Adam Ivy, and I'm here to help you go further faster in your music career by sharing proven marketing techniques and strategies so you can take your passion for making music and transform that into a legitimate business that'll provide you with more freedom and fulfillment. Now, I've been writing and producing music for over 12 years now, and in that time, I've seen countless producers, artists, bands, and writers give up on music even though they had ridiculous amounts of talent, far beyond my own skill set and natural abilities. There was just something that they were lacking, though. See, if you have a dream, regardless of if it's a music career or not, you're going to have to take massive amounts of action and be willing to step outside of your comfort zone in order to find any type of success long term. Not only that, but you're going to have to keep up with everyone else who's chasing their dream in your particular space or industry. Now, I'm sure you've heard that a million times before, so I'm not going to bore you, but one thing that you might not know is that I can personally tell you if you're going to be successful or not before it happens. In fact, I'd go as far as to say that any stranger who finds you online will probably be able to tell whether or not you're going to be successful when it comes to your music career. Now, I bet that you're probably thinking that I'm talking about the quality of your music, right? Nope. In fact, a deaf man can tell whether or not you're going to be successful in your music career. Maybe it's how you look. Maybe it's how professional your Instagram is. Nope. See, there's something that I want you guys to understand right now why I'm making this video. And that's that the rest of the world can tell how successful you're going to be by how consistent you are in the pursuit of your vision and the achievement of those goals that you set for yourself. The world is fucking overpopulated with mediocre people only dabbling with doing something more with their life, but never able to accomplish more than a 4% pay raise annually at a job that they absolutely hate. Now, unfortunately, a lot of those people end up living the last 20 to 25 years of their life in total regret of all the things that they could have done, all the things that they should have done. Now, I say that because this is something that I've personally struggled with in the past. When I dabbled with releasing new beats into the world, no one took me seriously, and as you could probably imagine, the money never came in. Same goes for uploading to YouTube and countless other things in my life, including health and fitness. Now, with that being said, once I went all in with a plan of attack and started being consistent, that's when the magic started happening. Hard work and consistency are the two things that even the most tone-deaf musicians can do without anyone's permission. And at the end of the day, that's how you win in the music industry, but you don't want to hear it because it doesn't sound secretive enough. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not trying to discount at all the importance of understanding the marketing side of things, the network aspects of it, the building your business knowledge, the advanced brand development, the sharpening of your actual musical abilities, all of that stuff, the all-encompassing ecosystem of a music career. I'm just saying that I see so many people talk about having a passion for music, but their actions speak a very different narrative. Side note, if this has been you at any point in your life, I want to hear about it in the comments below this video. Let's open up, let's share those stories, let's share those struggles with one another. That's what the channel family is here for. You're certainly not alone in this, and I'm not saying that being consistent is easy either. There are days where I don't want to do anything but eat a popcorn bowl full of cereal and take naps until I decide to wake up and pour another bowl. It's normal to feel this way sometimes, guys. It's up to you to overcome those temptations, though. Think of your professional success the same as you would regard your physical fitness or growing a garden. It takes the dedication to the process and the understanding that you're proactively making a lifestyle change. You don't get fat by eating one cheeseburger, and you don't get skinny and ripped by eating one salad. And a garden certainly doesn't grow by watering it once a month. Now, I made an announcement a few videos ago that I'm now offering free strategy calls on a first-come, first-served basis to anyone who's serious about turning their passion for making music and transforming that into a legitimate business. And the response from you guys was insane. There were like 134 applications within the first 2 hours of that video going live with just one link. So I'm putting together a team to help me sort through the applications and open up even more time to schedule those calls. Like I said, it's free, but spots are incredibly limited since any of you guys can apply. So I'll put up a card on the screen right now, just in case you're interested in learning more or booking your call. Anyway, so I'll tell you from personal experience that in order to become consistent in anything you do, guys, you're going to have to tighten up your time management and you're going to have to streamline your productivity. Otherwise, it's easy to get overwhelmed and ultimately give up. That's why I've put together a video specifically on time management and productivity that I want you to watch next by clicking the video on my left side over here. I invite you to join the channel family if you haven't yet by clicking that little subscribe button and smashing the bell icon so you can be notified first anytime I upload a video just like this. And until next time, I invite you to come follow me over on Instagram. All my contact information, as always, will be in the description box below.